here from the Canonized Personal, and for today we're gonna play some Minecraft. This is my first video, and this is awesome. So guys, like and subscribe whatever I made. We're gonna make craft things in this channel. Just say it, comment to the commentary down below. So this channel is for everything, so just comment it down below, and all you like, guys, all in Minecraft. You just discover something and just say it down below. I'm gonna say it too, when it's awesome or not. Okay, for what we're making in this channel is cannons, dispenser guns, all house craftings, materials, anything, modern house, all of it. Just comment down below. So this is just a short movie I'm gonna make. We're gonna make an wait a minute. I'm thinking. First we're gonna make I'm thinking for a while. So wait, guys. So okay, I think we're gonna make a simple cannon before we sleep. Okay, we're back this morning. So, a simple cannon, very simple. This is the very simple I've seen in the movie, and it's called that. Oh, what's this? And let's make a features of 150 first. Before we meet a second, so we're gonna make a picture about this. Okay, that's new, and new, and what's new? It's not new. We're gonna find some new excerpt. Okay, that's all we got. Okay, this is a stray. It looks like a skeleton, but it's not a skeleton. Just looks like a skeleton. It will burn on the sun. It's just like a skeleton. Let's make first and cover so it will not get dead. Okay, that's a stray. It looks scary. It looks like a Herobrine skeleton, but thinner. It's a thin one. Then the skeleton. His hand are thin. All of it's thin. The skeleton. What's the difference? Oh, it got big legs. Oh, get away. Got big legs, not like that thin. And hands, not like that. So compare, guys. And Leo, it's like a donkey. Leo wither skeleton. You can spawn it in the overworld because it has some spawned. Zombie horse. It looks like that one. That's one. Donkey. It's a big. Oh, he's angry. You little donkey. Looks like a sheep. So this is the horse. My favorite new mob. And this is the skeleton horse. It looks like in the Ghost Rider. When I just will watch it, the Ghost Rider, but it's not flaming, so don't look like that weird. So that's our 150 features and our new blocks. Let's see our new blocks. That one, the pistons, and the observer. I don't know how to use this observer, but it looks like that. I will watch how to use this. How to use this observer block. I don't know what it do. And the sticky piston. All of you guys know how to use this. You need this lever, and all you want to make it work. So it looks like that, guys. It's same with the piston, but it's not sticky. The sticky piston is not sticky. Okay, what's the difference? Okay. Okay. What's the difference, guys? Okay. First piston. It don't go back because it has no slime over there. And this piston, sticky piston, it will stick because its name is sticky. It's sticky. Sticky. Okay, that's our 150 features, and we meet again, guys. I was the one in the Brian Lee. Some guys know that in the channel. I go in another channel called Tristan Lee. So that's feature, and guys, like and subscribe me. And so bye bye, guys. See you again in the Minecraft video.